we are learning to use a cyclical map for planning. This is a cyclical map. It's a map that we use for planning when we're showing the sequence of something, and if it's the sequence that keeps happening. So we're going to use the cyclical map today to help us to plan for the life cycle of a butterfly. So here I have my cyclical map, and the first thing I'm going to do is to jot down a couple of ideas about my introduction to my planning for the life cycle of a butterfly. So here in my introduction, I've jotted down the key words for 3 ideas. I'm not writing in sentences. I can do that when I do my writing, but I'm just putting down the keywords to help me for when I go to do my writing. So I'm going to say in my writing that butterflies have a life cycle, that this life cycle consists of 4 stages, and the change between one stage to another is called metamorphosis. Now I'm going to plan my ideas that go here in the first part of my cyclical plan. So the first part of the butterfly life cycle is egg. So I'm just going to put that idea up there. Again, just keywords. Now I'm going to think of 3 details about the eggs. So my 3 details about the eggs, again, I've just got some keywords. First of all, I've got hundreds because I know that a butterfly lays hundreds of eggs. Next, size of sesame seed. Each egg is about the size of a sesame seed, so they're really little. And my third detail about eggs is underside of leaves. That's where the butterflies lay their eggs. Now I'm going to think about the second part of the butterfly life cycle. So the next part of the metamorphosis is the caterpillar, and now I'm going to add some details about the caterpillar. So these are my details just in keywords about the caterpillar stage of the metamorphosis. The caterpillar hatches. When it hatches, it eats the egg that it was in, and it's a real eating machine. It eats and eats and eats, so it grows bigger and bigger and bigger. And as it grows, it sheds its skin several times to fit its body. Now I'm going to think about the third part of the butterfly life cycle. So the next part is the chrysalis part. So now I'm going to add some keyword details about this stage of the metamorphosis. So my extra details in my plan are that during the chrysalis stage, the caterpillar attaches itself to a twig, or branch, or a leaf, and it turns into a pupa, and the skin that forms around it protects it from predators. Now I'm going to think about the last part of the life cycle, which is the butterfly, and I need to again think of details about this stage. So my details here are that the butterfly hatches, its wings dry out, so it stays there for a while until its wings dry, and then it flies away. And then of course the life cycle all starts again with the butterfly laying hundreds of eggs. So you are going to use a cyclical planner like this to do your own life cycle planning and then writing about your story. Now each of these ideas makes up a paragraph in the story, so this will be paragraph one. The first stage of the life cycle will be the second paragraph, then the second stage will be the third paragraph, the third stage will be the fourth paragraph, and the fourth stage will be the fifth paragraph. Good luck with your writing today.